Hello guys, today we try to see a puzzle and we try to solve it, and you guys you try just to think about it because it gives you the whole picture of the market. Now, who will move the market? It means who makes the market move up or down. In economy, it's supply and demand. Okay? In everything, it means whenever there is a supply, a lot of sale, all the stocks will go down. This is a normal thing. When there is a big demand of shares of stocks, this will make the bull. Now, why we are in this correction or in this pullback or retracement, as they say, all this from February, and there is nothing. It means that the big guys have not decided yet what to do in the market. Is it a bull or is it a bear? That's why the suspense from February until now. Now, this is what I see. Okay? Now, mutual funds, some they begin to sell a lot of stocks. They see it's worthless and they begin to buy others. Now, in this, from February to now, you see that stocks going up, then going down, going up, then going down. Okay? And a lot of people, like swing traders, are following. It means following what's going on. There is another thing which I should mention, is that when mutual funds are selling some kind of companies, maybe because these companies are not doing good, and some short sellers, especially big guys like hedge funds, they discover this kind of companies, they are doing bad. It means this is a study. It means it's not a game. It's not just a game, it's a study. They know that these companies are having trouble, whatever kind of trouble. And analysts sometimes they say bad things about these companies, and maybe it's true. So hedge funds and big brokers, they have what we call a big position down. It means they have a big position to sell short these companies, and they stay for long, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years. That's why you see a lot of companies are going down for long. We have seen this with GE, General Electric, 1 year and a half. It is the only one failure in Dow Jones. Dow Jones, the 29 stocks are doing so good in 2016, 2017, and beginning January 2018. But if you see GE, which is General Electric, it was here for 110 years, and then it collapsed alone. Now, when it collapsed, begin to go down, and it doesn't follow the Dow Jones. What does it mean? We have a lot of short sellers. Short sellers, they stay for long. It means it's not you short sell daily like day traders. There are some who do that always. But because mutual funds, when they want to sell, they can't sell in 1 day. Understand that. They have millions, let's say 50 million, 100 million, 500 million of shares bought in a stock. They can't just today or tomorrow they will sell it all. The stock will collapse. From 100 it can go to $5 if they do so. So understand the game. So these are something that you can understand when you see the downtrend. When you see the downtrend, you find that the stock is going down each week, 1, 2%, 1%, 2%, 3%, 5%, and you see for a long time it's going down. So mutual funds are selling, but they can't show their hands, because if they show their hands, it means, let's say they have 500 million shares they want to sell tomorrow. This is impossible, because the stock is 100, it can go to $5 or $2 or $1. They can't do that in terms, because they lose all their money. Okay? If they have profit of this company or they don't have a profit, they should sell little bit according to what the daily volume, and they sell. Now, hedge funds, they understand how mutual funds are working. And this is the secret of the business. You know something, you can take advantage of something. You don't know, you are with the other people who are called the public. The public, you see, all of us, you see things going down for long and you don't understand. Is it the company is doing bad? Is it mutual fund that it is selling? Is it a hedge fund that it is like selling short? What is the problem? And these secrets, no one will tell you in the stock market. It's a secret for hundreds of years. No one, even those who are analysts, who are participating, they will never tell you anything. Sometimes they speak about the company if it's not doing well. Yes, but aside from that, they will not talk. That's why the stock market or trading or investing is a puzzle. Those people who can solve the puzzle, why is this happening? Not who, like the person or like the organism or like a broker, or no, you can't know that. But I'm showing you who is the mover, who is moving a stock up or down. This is what interests us in order to understand the price. Because the price doesn't move down or up just like that. There is a doer. There is a participant or many participants that do the action. Now what you see, the price, is the result of what the people do. Okay? So this puzzle, it should be solved for you. You should solve it to understand. Now, the people, when they solve it, they try to solve it, they can give you hundreds, thousands of reasons why. But all these reasons, when you compare it to the price, you find that most of these reasons are worthless. If it applied on this stock, it doesn't apply on this stock. Okay? You see, for example, a company, it is successful. You see the earnings, it's so nice. And then you see the stock going down. So what's the problem? It has nothing to do with the company. It has to do with something else. And that is the puzzle. It's not always when you try to find a solution, to find a reason, try if this thing is applied on everything in the market. It's not applied on one stock or many stocks. It should be applied on the whole market and how it works. So for me, I am giving you insights on how to solve this problem. And this problem is just a problem that happens in the stock market. And you find that people who talk, especially in the big media, like TVs, like those analysts, like the news, they forgot, and they will never speak about the true. They will never give you the hidden things about the business. I'm asking you a challenge. Okay? Have you ever seen a mutual fund explaining how things work? You will never find it. Even if you find some information, it's just a general information. It doesn't help understand anything. That's why in each business, we have secrets of business. These secrets, they will not be published to the public. In any business, you will find people are having some secrets of business. These secrets of business will never be published like that, because this information will make the money. And since all this is hidden, making the money, it is so difficult in the stock market and in other kind of businesses. For example, I'm telling you just an example. Two companies working in retail. The idea is simple in retail. You buy cheap, you sell high, and then you make a business. They do the same. But why a company succeed, the others fail? It's just because of the secrets. A company is doing something that the other is not doing. That's why one succeeds and one fails. It's not just because it's like that. No, there is always a reason for anything. Anything that makes the money has a reason. If you have a business and you are successful, it means that you have some tools that you are doing that makes your business successful. If you give these techniques to another one, he will become successful also. But businesses, they don't share techniques because it has to do with making money. Okay? And this is the problem. So, as I told you, the key start in this puzzle. Understand. If you find books about mutual fund, I suggest you to read these books. These books are general literature, but it has keys to understand what's going on in the market. Because who has billions of dollars, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 billion dollars to move the market? Who? It's just mutual funds. The public like us, each one has little money. You can't move. You can't go by yourself and you go to Apple or Facebook or Twitter and you can move it with $10,000 or $5,000 or $20,000 or $100,000. You can do nothing. Because you can't, if you short, you do nothing. If you go long, you do nothing. It means your money is little. What moves a stock is something which is big. If someone big, like a mutual fund, is selling, this attracts all the guys who are day traders. All the guys will come to the feast. It's like a feast. And when you see, for example, you have a stock and it is in a downtrend and it is going down. Let's say you are investing in this company and it is doing bad. Understand that a mutual fund is selling your stock or your company. Understand mutual fund and hedge funds are shorting your stock, and day traders each day they are selling short your stock. And you are just waiting until your stock will go up again. So how it will work? It means there should be another mutual fund who has a lot of money. He begins to buy, and then we have swing traders and hedge funds. They see something going up, they will buy it again. So those who were against, they will be with the trend. So you see how things work. So all depend on that kind of price. When a stock is going up, it's an attraction. All the people, they come with all strategies. They see something going up, they buy. If they find analysts news speaking about that stock, they will do and buy. Okay? This is something common in the stock market. Now, if things is going bad, what do people do? They short stocks. They buy puts. Okay? Options. It means they just do see something and they follow what's going on. They don't have to understand everything. A day trader in the morning, he just scans the stocks, and he find that some stocks are bearish. It means they have lost money from yesterday. He will think that these stocks could be something that he will short. If he begin in the morning 9:30, he begin to see that this stock is going down, he will short them. It is as easy as that. He doesn't need to understand why big mutual funds or hedge funds, or he will not try to think about those things because it will not help him. He is looking at the price now, what's doing now, and how he can profit from that. He will not study the history of stock market for 100 years in order to have conclusions, because this will never help him to make money. Okay? So if the puzzle is solved for you, you will have a clear idea what to do in the future. Understand that everything is a game. Okay? That's why I told you before, sometimes when someone gives a reason, it doesn't match. You say, for example, you find an investor, he has a good company, it's doing well, it's making a lot of money, the dividend is good, it is increasing, there is no competition at all, but you find the stock is going down. Are you going to believe in the stock price or to believe in this company? This is what's happening when there is a bear market. A bear market, it doesn't mean that the companies are doing bad. It is just a sell off, more selling short. And mutual funds, they pull their money from the stock market and buy other things. They can buy bonds, for example. If they buy a lot of bonds, the stock market will collapse. And it has collapsed before. So understand that the movement of the mutual funds is very, very interesting. So the clue for myself, the key thing in the stock market is the mutual funds, what they are doing. This is just a general idea. You can go through it, you can study it, and you can just get some keys to understand what's going in the market. And for me, I see always the price, and I act by price. I don't see what the people are saying, analysts or whatever they are saying. It doesn't matter for me, because whatever they say, it is in the price. If they say true or false, it doesn't matter. If the stock is going down for 1 year and these analysts say it's a good company, it doesn't matter for me. They say a good company because I see the price is collapsing. Okay? So it doesn't matter. For you, you buy a stock $100, now it is $10, and you are thinking that in the future the stock will go to $100 again. So it's your perception. Because someone tells you, it doesn't mean that it will go up again. It may collapse, it may go bankrupt, this company. It may be going to private, not listed in the stock market anymore. Understand that. So this puzzle is always there because it is a secret of the market. Don't think that in any business, people will explain to you into details how to do the business. This is money. Okay? Understand that. This is money. So making the money is something private. It's not public. It's not someone. I will give you an example. This example will clarify everything. We take the example of Warren Buffett, who is one of the well-known investors in the world. Has he ever give you a clue how he pick his companies? Never. He will never do that. Even he is 85 or 90. Even he doesn't need to invest anymore. He has too much money. He has done all what he wants in his life. So, okay? Even though he will never tell you the secret. Why? It's business. Because his information is, the worth of his information is billions of dollars information. Even if he writes books or he gives seminars, he will not give you that much. He give you just little. Because he discovers something that he uses more and more and more, and he make money, so he will not give you this thing, although it might be something very simple. It is found in the books, but the way he make it, he will never reveal it. Okay, so this is the puzzle that I am always speaking about. Okay, so if you like to read books, if you like to solve puzzles, this is a very good thing for you. At least you begin to understand for real how this stock market works, and you search by yourself. Don't think that this kind of secrets will be published online like for free. Okay, I know some of the biggest traders in the world, investors in forex, traders in forex, in futures, in options. They do seminars where you can pay $100,000 in order to sit for 2 days. Why people they pay $100,000 to stay 2 days? It's just because the information they give you is a way to make money. Okay? And a lot of people are still thinking that all these things they can find it for free, and it's like that. It's for free. No. Okay? So you should work your brain, work hard, search. Since stock market is your business, you should search until you find the tools that makes you the money. And then when you find them, and you go just with them, and that's it. You have solved the puzzle of the stock market. Thank you very much, and see you next time.